I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here. From the north to the south.
Hey guys, it's Florence and welcome back to my channel. So this happened, hi. If you follow me on Snapchat, you already know, but if you didn't, your girl graduated, okay? So I graduated on the 25th. I don't know when this video gonna go up, but I recreated the same makeup that I wore on my graduation day. Like, everything is the same. The reason why I know it's the same, I practiced this makeup look 5 times to choose what makeup I was going to do for graduation. I practiced this 5 times. So graduation day was the 6th, and today is the 7th. Exactly the same. Top lashes, bottom lashes, new lips, bundles to the booty, nails on fleeky, same nails from graduation. Everything is the same. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw. And if we can get this video to 100 likes, I will post my graduation vlog. So yeah, whatever I got, cause it was heated. It was yelling, and yeah. So if y'all would like to see that, get this video to 100 likes. And if you would like to see how I got this look for graduation day, how I slayed graduation, your girl was a snack. Well, you can see your girl was a snack. I made y'all proud. But if you would like to see how I achieved this look on my graduation day, keep watching and give this a thumbs up. Remember, if we hit the like goal, I'm gonna post the vlog. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Across the sea, somewhere far away, and just be free. A place times don't go, we can call it our paradise. Just you and I, now wouldn't that be nice? Oh, it's our paradise, staying up all night. Just you and I, under the moonlight, our feet in the sand. Wake up and do it again. We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves. Drink all we want, forget about everything else. And I want to remember this moment for life, yeah. That look you gave me was staring in my eyes. And I'm never gonna let this go. Dancing real fast and slow, holding your waist real close. It's our paradise, let's go.
And paradise is there to be taken. We had it grinding, waiting for vacation. Hit that destination, party on the beaches, different nights, different constellations. And when I look into your eyes, ain't no hesitation. Working hard with you, baby, by my side. Got 24 hours in the dark, so what we like. Sipping by the sands, catching waves in the beds. It's an honor to be with you, cause baby, you made me understand what it means to be a real man. I got you covered in the brands, cause you a real fan. I want the house in the hills, that's the real plan. While I'm working every time for the deal, man, it's real fam. Every time I see it, stay wishing there be his vision, we seen it. Riding Bentleys, rolling right through the Prius, believing it was meant to be. Together chasing paradise, me and you for life, never ending journey, please. Yes, please, sign me up. Sonny's at the door. I tell him line it up.